Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete your TikTok account. And now let's begin. Initially go to tiktok.com. Once everything is loaded, go to your profile. You can find your profile at the top right corner next to the inbox. Simply hover over your profile and scroll down to settings. Once you go to the settings, you will be directed to the Manage Account page. Scrolling here, we can see something like Account Control, Delete Account and Delete. There are other options here as well, such as download your data to make your account private or not, allow in browser. For now, we just want to delete our account, so we click on Delete. You can take your time to read this. Your account will be deactivated for 30 days and won't be visible to the public. During deactivation, you can reactivate your TikTok account anytime, and after 30 days, your account and data will be deleted permanently. Let's click on Continue. As I created this account using Google, I need to click on Continue with Google. It verified, and now we can simply delete our account by tapping the Delete Account button. It is asking us for our confirmation. We can cancel it right now if you do not wish to delete, but for now I'm gonna delete it. Well guys, my TikTok account has been successfully deleted. It has been deactivated for 30 days and after that time it will be deleted, and that's how you delete your TikTok account. Hope you found this video useful, and for more informative content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.